Godrej Aerospace to manufacture another engine after Dry Kaveri for DRDO. GA yani Godrej Aerospace has received orders to manufacture modules for the 48K and Dry Kaveri engine from the Defense Research and Development Organization's Gas Turbine Research Establishment. With his achievement, Godrej Aerospace is poised to also secure additional order for the production of the 4.4K and small turbofan engine STFE from GTRE. These engines will be utilized in the long-range land attack cruise missile, which is a subsonic cruise missile capable of reaching distances up to 1500 km, currently under development by ADE. Next.